Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at the Kospet ORB 2. As you can see, this is a rugged smartwatch. The price for this smartwatch is around $69 depending on your location. Here in the back of the box we have some specifications. We have an enhanced AMOLED display, 1.43 inches. It goes up to 1000 nits. We have a dual band GPS and sport mode, 24/7 health monitoring, flashlight and walkie-talkie. Includes a built-in LED flashlight and walkie-talkie support to help you stay safe and connected off-grid. Here on the lower part we have the battery capacity, 500 milliamperes. We have a 22mm strap which is removable and an IP rating of IP69. The email for support is support@kospet.com. To download the app, you need to scan the QR code here on the bottom. This is the smartwatch. Let's set it aside for a second. We have the strap here. We have an orange charging cable, which is magnetic on one side and type A on the other. And we have the user manual. The user manual is in English, but if you want it in another language, you just scan the QR code here. This is the smartwatch. Here we have the power button. Here on the top we have the LED flashlight. Here we have the charging pins. Here are the sensors. And I must say that the first impressions are quite nice. To install the wristband, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Just put one side first. You can use this to pull the other side and install it. Same goes even for the other one. From what I can see, it's already turned on. Let's continue with the setup. I'm going to choose English. Scan the QR code in order to connect with, to download the app and connect. The name of the app is Apex Move. This is the app. We go here on the top right of the app, My Device, Allow, and there you have it, Kospet ORB 2. It gives you a prompt to pair. I'm activating it now. And there you have it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Inside of the app we have some settings here that we can change: display and brightness, screen timeout. We can choose raise to wake, double tap to wake. We can do always on display. We have the watch faces, sport recognition, find the device, and we have more features. Here on more we have alarm clock, SMS quick reply, cover lock, morning brief, contacts, emergency contacts, shortcut cards, and world clock. Notification and reminder, health monitoring settings. Firmware update. Now let's take a look at the watch. We can measure the heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, activity, sleep, calls, notifications, weather, calendar, music, compass. I'm interested in the flashlight. Let's try the flashlight. Wait. I removed the watch so we have more flexibility. Yeah. This gets very bright actually. For a small LED, this gets very bright. If we swipe from the top to the bottom, we have the toggles here. If we swipe from the left, we have the notifications. If we swipe from the bottom, we have, let's say, some pre-installed stuff. The heart rate, the calendar, etc. If we swipe from right to left, we have all of the apps installed on the watch. One thing that just caught me off guard here is the fact that the display brightness was at half, like this, and I thought it was already at maximum, but no. This is the maximum brightness of the display. Even the volume just caught me off guard. It has only one speaker here on the right side. And since we are here, let's see some more settings of the watch. Sound and vibration, Bluetooth settings, sleep mode, themes, password, morning brief, do not disturb, shortcut button. Yeah, we can configure the shortcut button that's here on the left side of the watch. Battery health. And oh my god, it shows battery health. I was not expecting this one. And system settings. And yeah, about. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, I just want to let you guys know that I will be wearing this watch in order to test it, and if it has any problems, I will come back, do another video and tell you about those problems. But at this price point, this smartwatch is a very solid purchase. You will find the link to buy this smartwatch in the video description below, or you can just simply go to Kospet official website. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.